a 5-minute workout that replaces high-intensity cardio. Have you ever imagined having a fit body but don't know how to do squats or crunches? We found an answer for you. Regardless of whether you're an amateur or a pro, these 7 basic activities will take only 5 minutes of your day and will suit any level of physical condition because they're all together in view of one sensational exercise: plank. This is a good plank and is celebrated for its 4 fundamental advantages. 1, a conditioned tummy. 2, alleviate back problems. 3, adaptable body. 4, great posture. Just do it with us consistently, ideally towards the beginning of the day when you're still new and brimming with energy, and we will ensure that preparing is fun, and in 30 days you will be shocked to discover a so significantly slimmer and fitter body in the mirror. So, for what reason do you want to change your body at this moment? How about we begin? You don't need to begin your stopwatch. I'll be telling you exercise 1 is full plank. Lie down with your midsection on the floor. Then raise your body on your straight arms and toes and keep it horizontally. Your body should make a straight line from your head to toes. Breathe normally. You need to keep this position just for 60 seconds. How about we try it out? Are you ready? Now, plank is the best compared to other activities for center conditioning. It reinforces your abs, yet in addition works your glutes and hamstrings, underpins legitimate stance, and enhances balance. How are you doing? Hang on. Inhale to exhale normally. Inhale, exhale. That's right. Okay, only 5 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2. Wow, that is incredible. How about we attempt the following exercise? Exercise number 2, elbow plank. Keep a similar position on your stomach. Now raise your body on your elbows and toes and keep it horizontally. Your body should be a straight line. Don't neglect to inhale normally. This time, just 30 seconds. Go ahead, you can do it. Plank is one of the fundamental stances in yoga, so you can make certain it is totally solid for your body and will keep you invigorated for the entire day. 3, 2, 1, you are super duper. I'm amazed. All good, here we go. Practice number 3, raised leg plank. Prop your body in the position of elbow plank. Raise your correct leg to the level of your glutes or higher and inhale normally. Up we go. Breathe. Typically, in light of the fact that your muscles should get oxygen. If you hold your breath, your blood and stomach weight can increment altogether and effectively affect your body. 3, 2, 1. Now, put your correct foot on the floor and raise the left leg to the level of your glutes. Leg raise plank additionally fortifies your glutes and back thighs, and each activity that we do ought to be beneficial to your body. So inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, 2, 1. Can see you're prepared for practice. 4 remaining side plank. Turn to one side and put the left elbow entirely under the shoulder. Ensure your legs are straight. Now push your base and midsection up. Balance yourself on your arm and feet until the point that your body makes a line. Breathe normally. And up, just 30 seconds. Side plank makes your stomach side muscles more grounded and keeps your midsection thin. It's likewise an awesome stance to fortify your shoulders and arms, believe it or not. It's not hard, is it? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Exercise number 5, right side plank. Turn to your correct side and put the correct elbow entirely under the shoulder. Ensure that your legs are straight. Now, push your base and abdomen up. Balance yourself on your arm and feet until the point that your body makes a line, and inhale normally for an additional 30 seconds. Keep your line down to the shoulder. I can see you. You're doing awesome. We're nearly there. 3, 2, 1. All right. Only 2 activities left. Exercise number 6, full plank again. You've done this one before. Well, how about we rehash? Raise your body on your straight arms and toes and keep it horizontally. Your body should be a straight line from head to heels. This time, just 30 seconds. You can do it. Be sure your palms are directly under your shoulders. If not, move them. Your body should feel solid. You are only a plank hero. You realize that you have 5 more seconds, and here they are. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow. Also, one final exercise to go. Exercise 7, elbow planks again. Okay, keep a similar position on your tummy. Now raise your body on your elbows and toes and keep it horizontally. Your body should be in a straight line to your heels and breathe. You should hold the position for 60 seconds. How are you doing? Hold your glutes down. Make sure your body is a straight line. There you go. 30 seconds. You are my superstar. Alrighty, keep going. 5 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, you've done it. You are a divine force of plank. Alright, and here is your everyday exercise design rundown that may be handy. Full plank 30 seconds, elbow plank 30 seconds, raised leg plank, right leg 30 seconds, left leg 30 seconds, right side plank 30 seconds, remaining side plank 30 seconds, full plank 30 seconds, elbow plank 1 full minute. Final thing before we say farewell today. Once you feel that you're prepared to increase your workout, try not to rest on your floor between the activities and simply keep your body up while changing the arm position. Yeah, you can do it. I'm certain you can make it.